Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday afternoon. I have an appointment this afternoon. It's been raining. Not sure if I'll be able to do another video. JJ's here, but all the beans are turning yellow, so that's where we're gonna collect today. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So let's see what we got. Yeah, just pull it.
Yeah, I'm putting them in the bucket. I pull them.
Only when they're yellow. You can't pull the other one.
What about these?
They're yellow, and then I gotta pull this out. See? Okay, go. Anything else yellow?
Oh, I see green.
Let's go.
Yellow.
No, those are. Come on, we got buckets over there.
Oh, did this one count?
Yeah, you already pulled it.
And yellow.
See all of those right there? All the leaves are yellow. You grab those.
Oh, these.
All of those, yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah. Yellow.
Grab them all. Come on. You have to grab them all. Put you on the floor.
Yes.
Just grab them all, JJ.
Even the green ones?
Just grab everything in that one bucket. The bucket that you had.
Even the yellow ones?
I said the yellow ones and you had the bucket.
And the green?
Okay, you gotta stick to one bucket. You can't just wander around collecting different kinds of beans. You need to grab the one bucket. You were over there with that one bucket. Now I'm pretty sure you don't remember what bucket it was.
Yes, I was.
You think.
Yeah, okay, right here. Got it. Inside, I'm going to put it inside by split all the time and I get...
When they dry, yes. When they dry, we will split them.
This.
They have to dry first.
Oh, got that one, that one.
You gotta make sure they're big and fat. Don't just pull anything. You gotta make sure they're big.
They're all of them.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure they're big. You can't grab
Like-
babies.
Like,
See, like this one is big. This big yellow one right here.
this book. And beans are good to protect themselves.
But you see, these are baby beans. You gotta leave those alone.
Yeah, look at we need to know how to protect ourselves because look at that bug trying to eat it, but the bean used the sticky
Grab that one.
the sticky thing and made it die with the sticky thing, but it's not homemade to us. The sticky can't kill us, but it kills the bugs.
I guess so.
Yeah, I see some bugs on these that all be killed, and all of them have a sticky on them. I mean, and ones with the bugs have sticky on them.
You gotta look for big ones.
This one's big, and some yellow.
See in the yellow. See,
Right
yellow
here.
and big. Yellow and big. You can't do the little ones. You gotta do yellow and
And what
big.
about the yellow and the yellow?
I grab yellow and big. Where was the other bucket where you were at? Over there.
Like
You grab those? Or all of those yellow and big?
Yeah, you have orange tomatoes. It's
I know.
dead.
Okay, just leave it. Grab the beans.
This one. Yep.
Look at my ugly tomato.
Yeah, and another one.
Died.
Yeah, that one too. And another one. Our tomatoes
Yeah.
dying by something. It's killing them. Are the beans killing them?
No. And I need to do this, but I didn't get any string.
Can you help me with this one?
What?
This one.
Just grab all the yellow ones. Come on. Yaya's gonna have to go soon to her appointment. See, like all of these are yellow. So if I grab all of these, here. All of these are yellow. Yeah.
After these,
Yeah.
there's one more and I'm done.
You're done.
Yeah, just one more. This.
I see a bunch of yellows.
It's two inside here. I don't see. Oh, I see one more. Just one more.
In other containers. They don't have to be just one container. You gotta look around and see which ones are yellow.
I'm done with this container.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. There's a lot of containers everywhere, you know, that are losing their color.
This one thing.
So-
This thing I'm gonna done just because you already helped me with this container.
Yeah. Here, come get these. Here, turn around. Grab these.
Oh, that's the white one.
Yep.
White beans.
Lots of beans.
Huh?
Lots of beans.
The white one, the box of beans.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the white beans.
I can't grab with my left hand. See?
But the do make me itchy. The little one, the sticky one, make me itchy.
Sticky?
Yeah, the sticky one. You know the texture. Oh, look at this one.
I think those are purple.
This side looks like a wood.
Okay, come on. There's more over here. These look.
Still have some big ones left. Guys, look at this side.
You done?
What about this? One on this side. No. Side.
Here, go that bucket right there. Make sure you grab yellow and whatever's big.
Honey, want to help us?
Who?
Honey.
Where is she? Oh.
Over there. Miss these beans.
Look at you missing beans.
Missing my fear.
Are you supposed to help me in the garden if you're gonna be screaming? JJ's supposed to be helping.
Here, the basket right here.
Here, hold the basket.
I need it.
I'm the basket holder. You're the puller.
I already feel
Why
drop.
is the sun stuck?
That's
I couldn't see it.
That was Micah. Okay, he wanted to pull beans too. Look, this is weed that's suffocating my.
Mommy, that's why you don't put them on your shirt. Those be the
I
sticky.
didn't put nothing on my shirt. Why is there so many beans I'm walking with?
Because I didn't have enough.
Each bucket.
Yeah, I wanted each bean. Every bucket had a bean. Actually, each bucket had a bean.
Spread seeds, Mommy. Okay, the spread seeds for more seeds to grow.
How many more beans we gonna eat?
Okay.
We'll never need any more beans.
Yeah, after this, and we pour some, and everybody in this house pour some.
I
when we
need
done
to.
in the kitchen.
And no one in this house does anything except for us. Let's go.
I need to get something
And
to
Bella would help.
help.
us when it comes out.
Bella would never come out here to
Is
help.
this pumpkin? Oh, this is more beans.
That's more
Oh
beans.
my goodness.
I put beans everywhere. I want to say last year I didn't have enough beans and I was like, I'm gonna put like 10 beans in each bucket, and now it's overcrowded. Like now I overdid it.
Yeah, you did.
I think last year I put like 3 beans per bucket. It wasn't enough. And then this time I said I'm putting it all around the bucket, all around the edge. But I didn't think they were gonna get like that.
Mom, your whole garden is beans.
I know.
I don't like it.
We can live off of beans. Actually, we can live off of beans. Do I have any more? Oh wait, I found me a cucumber. I found a cuke.
I like you.
Found a ooh, a bee.
Don't say that.
I found a bee in a cuke.
Oh, a big.
I found another cucumber.
That was big.
This one is big. Oh.
Oh, Mom.
That was funny. Y'all so stupid. Y'all ran. You didn't come for my rescue. Y'all ran away. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the madness of harvesting beans with the familia. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And we say bye.
Bye.